Welcome to our digital studio where today we're diving into the world of networking. Let's get started. We begin with a visual of a digital map with lines connecting various devices and cities. Narrator: networking is the backbone of modern communication. How devices connect, communicate, and share information across the globe. At home, it typically involves your phone, laptop, and smart TV connecting to a Wi-Fi router. Networking is what allows these devices to communicate with each other and with the internet. Let's zoom in on this diagram showing devices connected to a router. When you turn on your devices, they automatically search for and connect to your router through a process called DHCP. DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It is a networking protocol that enables devices to obtain an IP address and other necessary information from a router automatically. This is like your phone getting a signal from a cell tower. Once connected, your device receives an IP address which allows it to communicate with other devices on the network and the internet. Let's zoom in on the router. The router manages and directs the flow of data between your connected devices and the internet. It acts like a traffic director, ensuring that data gets to where it needs to go. Routers typically have multiple ports for wired connections and also have a wireless access point allowing devices to connect wirelessly. Let's zoom out slightly and focus on the modem. The router connects to a modem which links you to your internet service provider or ISP. A modem is a device that allows you to connect to the internet. It's like a bridge between your local network and the vast network of the internet. Modems use various technologies such as cables, DSL, fiber, or satellite to establish a connection with your ISP, enabling you to access the internet and its resources. Let's follow this data packet on its journey across the globe. When you try to visit a website, your device sends a request through the network. The request travels across cables, wirelessly through satellites, and between servers until it reaches the website's server. Once the server receives the request, it processes it and sends a response back. The response then travels back through the same path, ultimately returning the requested information to your device. This entire process happens in milliseconds, allowing you to browse the internet seamlessly. Let's zoom in on this IP address label. Each device on the internet has a unique IP address. An IP address is like a digital mailing address that helps route data to the correct location. Next, let's talk about security. As we have this treasure trove of information flowing through our networks, it's essential to protect it. Firewalls, encryption, and antivirus software are crucial for keeping your data safe from threats and unauthorized access. Firewalls are like security guards that monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic. Encryption converts data into a format that's unreadable without the proper decryption key, ensuring that even if data is intercepted, it remains secure. Antivirus software protects against malicious software that can harm your devices or steal your information. Let's wrap up with a summary checklist. Here's what you need to remember. Devices connect to each other and the internet through routers and modems. Data travels using IP addresses, and security tools such as firewalls, encryption, and antivirus software keep your network safe. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. In future sessions, we'll explore more advanced networking concepts such as Wi-Fi versus Ethernet, troubleshooting tips, and how to build a secure home network. Stay tuned and happy networking! We hope you enjoyed this session. If so, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more engaging videos. We've included a link to our full curriculum in the description below. Feel free to share any thoughts, questions, or suggestions you have. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.